name is Frederick Kapina. Well, I started my career as a machine learning engineer 2 years ago at an AI startup called Cohort AI. At Cohort AI, I worked on creating various artificial intelligence models and deploying them based on various use cases, ranging from businesses to different researches that we were doing at Cohort AI. Well, I enjoyed a lot the role that I had at Beltro AI because there's a lot of big impacts that we could do as a company. I remember ranging from creating a mobile app that could help farmers with detecting various plant diseases that were affecting their farms, to doing various data analytics for different companies in Tanzania. At the end of last year, I decided to chase new career challenges, where together with my colleagues, we decided to start a new startup called Beltro. I am now the CEO of Beltro, leading the amazing team that we put together. Beltro is a startup working to transform conversation AI in Africa. But to us, conversation AI is having computer systems that can have a natural conversation with a person, just like the way two people can have a conversation. When you want to speak or to talk to someone or text someone, the way you do it is you say something or you text something, then the person listens or reads the text that you've just sent, then they try to understand what you're saying, then they think of the response which is appropriate to give it back to you, then they respond or reply back to you with the right response that they think that is okay with what you just said. Similarly, we think that computers need to behave or have a natural conversation the same way, which is fast and natural, just like the way two people can have a conversation with each other. But how can we have this sort of conversation with computer systems if they don't speak our languages? How can we chat with these computer systems if they don't understand the language that we speak? So at Beltro, we tend to teach computer systems to understand African languages, and we're doing it one language at a time, because we think if we can have computers that understand the languages that we speak, then we can accomplish having conversational AI, which will have a lot of benefits in the way we do things in majority of the things that we do in Africa. Our company is made up of 8 people, which make up the great amazing team that we have. The innovation that got us into the Vodacom Accelerator is the creation of chatbots. Chatbots work independently of a human operator, and they try to assist in answering different customer queries and also help different users get easy access to certain services which in other ways could have required some sort of human operator to assist them, but instead the chatbot can automate this process and help it being done in a more efficient and easy way. But the advantage of it is that we're doing it with the way our chatbot works. They work in a very natural way, like the way they would talk, like the way just like a normal person would talk to a human operator. But also, the good thing about it is that it also learns with the conversation that it has with people. So the challenges the things that it fails to understand, it learns or understands them with time. So it gets better with time in a way that next time that maybe the thing that you couldn't understand earlier, the next time to do it very better and efficient way. So currently the way we work is we work closely with our customers from setting up the chatbots to deploying the chatbots. But the thing that we have used on our plan currently, which we're working on, is creating a platform that will allow our customers for themselves to access the platform and create or set up their own chatbots and deploy them without the help or an assist of or having any technical knowledge or experience in order to accomplish it. Throughout this journey so far, we have faced I remember the biggest first challenge that we had to solve was coming up or bringing together this great team that we have. Everybody being good at what he or she does. So that is one of the biggest challenges that we really faced earlier when we were starting. But currently the biggest issue or challenge that is facing us is getting into the market, because we're creating products, but how do we access the market? This is the thing that I think that with Vodacom Accelerator, with the knowledge, with the expertise that Vodacom have in the market, can help us better understand how we can get into the market and get a product in the hands of many customers that we think will benefit or will enjoy the product that we've been creating. But also, the biggest other issue that we are currently facing is because the way our platforms work need to be deployed or work online. And so with this issue, we need servers that can help us in deploying these different technologies that we are having. So this is also another area where we think that with the partnership we have with Vodacom, we can easily solve this challenge and have easy access to servers that we can easily deploy the solutions that we are providing, and that can easily and can be accessed with our customers at a price that can be affordable to them. We have big expectations with the Vodacom Accelerator. We see a better Beltro, which is more equipped in developing and connecting Africa with removed language barriers.